To me, it was a building I wanted to make sure we tried to save. It's such strong memories of Christchurch for me, like the cathedral, Town Hall, it's our iconic buildings.
During the earthquakes, this riverbank you see behind us, it all spread in towards the river, and that brought the building with it. So it stretched the building, caused it to settle. Our job is to go back and make sure that we pull it together so that it's good and resilient to go forward another 50 years.
For Christchurch, it is very much the old structure of who Christchurch is. It's the old culture centre for Christchurch, and to have another building open up which is going to bring that culture back to Christchurch is pretty pivotal really to the district's health and well-being.
I do love the building. I probably put more emotion into it and looked at ways we could save it. I felt passionate about going to the council meetings and talking to councillors about what had happened and that we could fix it.
But I think it shows the resilience of Canterbury people and how we value our history. New Zealand's only 150 years old, but this is a valuable piece of history to Christchurch.
I'm pretty proud of what we've achieved here at the Town Hall. I think we've got an excellent foundation under here, and I think we built it really well. I think that it was great to have an idea that worked. We were able to get in there and construct it.
I've brought my children along as we've been doing work on it. They've looked through the fence to see the repairs being made. I can't wait to bring them here as they grow up, and they'll be able to enjoy the same experiences I had as a child, or even more, hopefully.